Hey everyone! Looking for the best hand blender to make your soups, smoothies, and sauces with ease? You've landed in the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing immersion blenders of the year, considering blending power, attachments, ergonomic design, durability, and ease of cleaning. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your kitchen needs. Let's get started, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Braun Multi-Quick 5 Immersion Hand Blender. This is the Braun Multi-Quick 5 Immersion Blender, a compact powerhouse designed for smooth, splash-free blending. It features the patented Powerbell system, with ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a bell-shaped shaft that pulls food inward for finer results. Thanks to splash control technology, cleanup is easy, no mess, no splatter. The high-precision German-engineered motor delivers balanced power and long-lasting durability, keeping operations smooth and quiet. With the EasyClick accessory system, I can switch attachments in seconds to whisk, mash, puree, or crush with ease. And for maximum efficiency, it includes a soft grip ergonomic handle and dual-speed control, making it simple to whip up smoothies, sauces, or egg whites. Lightweight at just 2.5 pounds and dishwasher safe, this 300-watt blender is perfect for quick prep and everyday use. Whether I'm making hummus or whipping cream, the Multi-Quick 5 gives me control, comfort, and precision in one sleek tool. Number 4. Geniza Immersion 5 in One-Hand Blender. This is the Geniza 5 in One-Hand Blender, a powerful, all-in-one kitchen tool built for speed and versatility. It's equipped with a 1000W full copper motor and 304 stainless steel 4-leaf blades, delivering smooth, precise blending every time. With 16 speeds plus turbo mode, I can fine-tune textures from silky purees to frothy drinks, even tackling tough ingredients with ease. The all-in-one versatility includes an 800 milliliters beaker, 600 milliliters chopper, snap-on whisk, and frother. Perfect for blending, whisking, frothing, and chopping in seconds. Cleanup is simple thanks to the dishwasher-safe attachments, while the motor base wipes clean. With its sleek ergonomic design, this blender is not only practical, but also makes a thoughtful gift for any kitchen enthusiast. Whether I'm prepping smoothies, sauces, or dicing onions tear-free, this compact powerhouse keeps my workflow fast and mess-free. Number 3. KitchenAid Variable Corded Hand Blender. Blending gets a serious upgrade with the KitchenAid KHBV53 in matte black. The 8-inch detachable blending arm houses a 4-point stainless steel blade that powers through everything from soups to smoothies with silky results. A variable speed trigger lets me fine-tune the texture mid-blend, giving me total control over consistency. To protect my cookware, the removable pan guard prevents scratches when blending directly in pots or pans. The included 3-cup BPA-free jar with lid is perfect for small batches and doubles as a storage container. Lightweight, ergonomic, and dishwasher safe, this 180-watt hand blender is built for comfort and convenience. Whether I'm whipping up hummus, milkshakes, or purees, it delivers smooth performance without the mess. Compact enough to store easily, yet powerful enough to handle daily prep, this tool blends precision, safety, and style into one reliable kitchen companion. Number 2. KYOS 5 in One-Hand Immersion Blender. KYOS brings serious versatility to my kitchen with this 5 in One-Hand Blender set. Powered by a 1000W copper motor, it blends fast and quietly, with a lifespan up to 3 times longer than standard motors. I get full control with 12 speed settings plus turbo boost, perfect for everything from smoothies to soups. The sharp stainless steel blades slice through tough ingredients with ease, and the anti-splash design keeps cleanup simple. Swapping tools is effortless thanks to the detachable attachments, including a whisk, frother, 600 milliliters beaker, and 500 milliliters chopper bowl. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip for one-handed blending, and every accessory, except the motor, is dishwasher safe. Whether I'm whipping cream, chopping nuts, or prepping baby food, this compact powerhouse handles it all. Stylish, efficient, and easy to clean, it's a must-have for fast, flexible meal prep. Number 1. Oven Immersion Hand Blender. Ovent's HS560B Immersion Blender makes quick work of sauces, smoothies, and soups with its 300-watt high-performance motor. Whether I'm prepping dips or protein shakes, it blends ingredients fast and evenly. The 2-speed pulse-activated control lets me switch from gentle mixing to high-powered blending with a single touch, perfect for everything from soft fruits to frozen veggies. Its slim-stick stainless steel shaft fits easily into bowls, pots, and beakers, while the non-slip ergonomic handle keeps my grip steady and comfortable. Cleanup is simple. Just attach the shaft and rinse or wipe down the motor housing. Though not dishwasher safe, the parts snap apart and reassemble effortlessly. Lightweight at just 1.4 pounds, This blender is ideal for busy mornings or quick meal prep. Backed by US-based customer service and a 1-year warranty. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay connected.